Want to make purchases faster and manage your payments within the Costco app? Adding your credit card to the Costco app streamlines your shopping experience. In this guide, I'll show you how to add a credit card to the Costco app. To add a credit card, open the Costco app on your smartphone. Log into your Costco account. Navigate to your Account, Profile, or Membership section. Look for Payment Methods or Wallet. You'll typically see an option to Add New Payment Method or Add Credit Card. Enter your credit card details, the 16-digit card number, expiration date, and CVV. You'll also need to confirm your billing address. Finally, save the card details. The Costco app might perform a small authorization charge, which is immediately refunded, to verify the card. Once successfully added, your credit card will be available for online purchases through the app. And there you have it. Adding a credit card to the Costco app is convenient for shopping. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips.